Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave apps invoicing software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you cancel your Wave apps paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel the paid version of Wave apps? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes new software comes out that maybe is cheaper or more convenient to use. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave apps dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave apps account and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to cancel your paid subscription and just go with the free account, you're going to click on your company name here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click here, Business Settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this settings menu here on the left, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this button here, Manage Subscription. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your subscription. You can see I'm currently on the Pro plan. Now, in order to cancel the paid subscription, click right here, Manage Subscription. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your subscription once again right here, and just click on the plan that you have. You can see mine is $16 per month. All right, once you do that, it's going to show your payment method right here. And in order to cancel your paid subscription in Wave apps, click on Cancel Subscription. It's a blue button at the bottom. Okay, once you do that, they do ask you why you're going to be canceling, so you can just choose whichever reason. Also, they let you know that you're not getting a refund for any paid subscription that you have. However, amount you've already paid for, you can continue to use Wave apps paid subscription up until that date. After that, your subscription would be canceled and downgraded to the free plan. If you're okay with that, click on Confirm Cancellation right here at the bottom. Okay, next the page refreshes and you're going to see this little pop-up letting you know your paid subscription in Wave apps will be canceled on whatever date this is listed here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel a paid subscription in Wave apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.